Alright guys, today I'm going to do a full unboxing review on my new two-piece tracksuit. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Full zip-up jacket. Very nice material. The inside. And then these are the bottom. Got the strings right there. Very cool. So let's go ahead and actually try them on and see how they look. Okay, and this is what the tracksuit actually looks on. It is standard US sizes. I did go a size bigger than normal just as a preference, so picking your size should be easy. The material also has a little stretch, so it moves with you and you don't have to worry about it being uncomfortable. The fabric was very lightweight and breathable, which means it keeps you cool and dry even if you're active. It's also durable, so it holds up whether you're working out, running errands, or just relaxing at home. As far as the details, the jacket does have a full zipper, so it's easy to put on and take off. It also has two big zipper pockets on the outside and two on the inside for stuff like your phone or keys. The ribbed cuffs and hem give it a nice snug fit, and reflective strips on the zipper help you stay visible if you're out at night or early in the morning. The pants are also comfortable. They've got a single straight leg with two slanted pockets and elastic waistband with the drawstring so you can adjust the fit. They're made for moving around whether you're jogging, walking, or just hanging out. The tracksuit works for a lot of things. It's simple, comfortable, and easy to wear for whatever your day looks like. Whether it's working out, going for a run, or just hanging out at the house, it's made for everyday use. So if you guys are looking for a new two-piece tracksuit, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.